Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix Netflix not working in Google Chrome. First method is open Chrome browser. Click Customize and control Google Chrome. Click Settings. Click Advanced Settings. Click Content Settings. Click Protected Content. Turn on. Second method is type Chrome://components. Check Wideband Content Decryption Module, version is up to date updated. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.